Welcome back. So we are going to be doing our half double crochet today, and we are going to be starting with a chain. Yes, I actually made a chain 10 and I made a mistake and I chained one extra, but you're going to make 2 extra chains for this half double crochet. So once you chain your 2 extra, insert your hook into the 10th chain. That's the 3rd chain from your hook. The 3rd chain, you insert your hook inside, then you're going to yarn over and then you pull it out. Then you would notice you have 3 loops, and then you're going to yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops, all 3. So that is how to make the half double crochet. You yarn over again, insert it into the next chain space, you yarn over, you pull through, then you yarn over again and pull through all the 3 of them. It's very easy. Yeah, so that's just what you're going to be doing. I'll catch you guys later and show you how you're going to continue with your climbing chain, as I call it. Okay, so welcome back. This is my work so far. This is how to make the climbing chain. That is what I call it. So you're going to chain 2. So that wandered off, and then you chain 2, you turn. I'm going to show you that process again. After chaining your 2, you are going to turn the other way, and then you yarn over, insert it to that space, the last one you did. Yeah, I had to show you very well. Then you insert your hook inside there, you yarn over, you pull through, you have 3 loops, you yarn over and you pull through all 3 loops. Then you continue your work. As you're working, please make sure you count. If you start with a chain of 10, you should end everything with 10 half double crochet. Yeah, counting is very important. So that is all. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Give it a